You're not poor because you don't earn enough. You're poor because of something you were taught your entire life. Saving money. Sounds smart, right? But what if I told you this one habit could quietly cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars? Meet David. He's 42. He works a stable job. He does everything right. No crazy spending, no risky decisions, just discipline. Every month, he saves $500. For 20 years. That's $120,000 saved. Sounds responsible, safe, smart. But here's the problem. David didn't build wealth, he froze it. Let's look at the math nobody talks about. Inflation quietly eats your money every single year. Around 3% gone. So that $120,000 isn't really $120,000 anymore. Now here's where it gets painful. If he had invested that same $500 at just 8%, he wouldn't have $120,000. He'd have over $300,000. That's a difference of $180,000 lost without ever seeing it disappear. Not because he made a mistake, but because he followed safe advice. This is how most people get stuck. They save, they avoid risk, they try to feel secure. But security is an illusion, because while you're saving, the world is moving, prices are rising, assets are growing, wealth is compounding. Without you. This is why so many people feel like they're doing everything right and still falling behind. Because saving protects money, but it doesn't grow it. Now imagine two people, same income, same discipline. One saves, one invests. 20 years later, one feels safe. The other is free. The real danger isn't spending too much, it's thinking too small. Saving money won't make you rich, it might actually keep you poor. Because wealth is built by putting it to work, and most people never realize this until it's too late.